a beast game video. Play that video says on my channel. To have a giving away shiny Dialga, and this can be a collaboration with Clash of Keldeo. He's gonna be giving away shiny Palkia. So go check him out, amazing YouTuber. The link to his video are gonna be down below in the description. So yeah, go check him out. And yeah, this Dialga is level 100, Steel and Dragon type, shiny. Moves it has are Flash Cannon, Protect, Aura Sphere, and Roar of Time. The HP is 367, and item is nothing, and ability is Pressure, Nature, Brave. And this is going to be a collaboration, and yeah, with Clash of Keldeo, he's going to be giving away shiny Palkia, and you guys have to deposit EVA or else you guys will not be getting a shiny Dialga. And this is going to be a GTS giveaway, so to enter this giveaway, like my video, subscribe to my channel, tell me what Pokemon you deposited, tell me what level, and tell me what gender. And if you guys deposit twice, then you guys will not be getting a Pokemon from my other giveaway that I'm going to do tomorrow. And Clash is too, so if you deposit twice for him too, then you guys will not be getting another Pokemon from his other giveaway. And we're gonna keep track of your names, your in-game names. So yeah, and that is it for this video. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye.